Do you want a job in cybersecurity? I'm about to give you 10 ways that you can get there. But before we get started, you have to subscribe. If you want to get a job in cybersecurity, every video that I pour out helps you defeat the odds to get a great job in this field. So I'm going to list 10 of these, but the last two are my favorites, so stick around for those. Number 1, pick a sector. Offense, defense, sales, project management, and GRC, those are just a few examples of careers in this field. Saying you want to get into cybersecurity is like saying you want to play sports. You have to pick a sport and you have to study it. Number 2, get training. It doesn't matter if it's college, boot camps, online learning, YouTube, or self-study, you have to get training. If you don't aim for structured training, you'll quickly take many wrong turns and get lost. Number 3, hands-on labs. Learning theory is great, but you need hands-on. Learn TCP/IP. Learn how it works. Use TryHackMe, HacktheBox, or even your own home lab to get hands-on with industry standard tools. Trying to get into this field without hands-on labs is like a doctor wanting to operate, but they've only watched ER or maybe Grey's Anatomy. Number 4, get certified. No, you don't have to have certifications, but getting 1 or 2 will certainly help. The Security Plus, CYSA, the Google Cybersecurity Certification, CEH, ISC Squared, any certification will help you get some street credit and prove that you are dedicated to learning. Number 5, learn cloud, AWS, Azure, Google, others. Things are moving to the cloud at an extremely rapid pace. You should have a good understanding of how the technology works and be able to talk about it. Number 6, we've all heard of it, AI. Learn it. You can't scroll your timeline, watch a webinar, or go to a conference without seeing something about AI. Folks, it isn't going anywhere. It's here to stay. Learn it and embrace it. Number 7, build a profile. It doesn't matter what social media you use, but you must build a profile that represents who you are. You have to stand out. Number 8, make connections. You have to build connections. Remember, it's not about who you know. It's about who knows you. Ever think of it that way? Number 9, be good at selling. Seem confusing? Yes, it can be. We all have gained skills, knowledge, and wisdom throughout our career. It's our job to learn how to sell those skills to a potential employer. Having the skills, certifications, hands-on experience, and knowledge, but not knowing how to sell our skills is like trying to sell a new Corvette without ever putting it on the car lot. Number 10, this is my favorite one. Have a personality. You have to work with people 8 hours a day. Be kind, be a team player, and be someone that they just have to have on their team. But wait, I got a bonus. Remember this one. Have fun. Cybersecurity can be a very serious field. We work extremely hard at our jobs, but sometimes we tend to forget to enjoy our careers and the journey to get there. You have to have an extremely healthy balance. If you need help getting into this field of cybersecurity, you know how to reach me by now, and subscribe. Every video I pour out is to help you out. Take care.